The purpose of cellular respiration is to create energy. It does this by the consumption of food and oxygen and inside of the cells, and then that's how it creates the energy. There are 3 points, 3 steps of cellular respiration. The first step is glycolysis, which comes from food. The second step would be the citric acid cycle, which comes from carbon dioxide. And the third step would be the electron transport chain, which comes from the oxygen. All these 3 steps create energy. And as for the fermentation, fermentation occurs when there is only glucose and carbon dioxide, no oxygen, and it only creates a small amount of energy.